Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Summer.
Like a bird on a tree.
Here we are at the Blair's Company Ranch. It's called Ranch at the U-Cross, and they hold conventions and weddings and all kinds of different occasional type things, and it is very beautiful here. The sun finally came out, so I am out here showing you what the property looks like. They've got main houses and ranch houses and cabins and guest rooms and all kinds of neat stuff. Back in the earlier days, like in the 70s, they used to run horses and let the guests ride them around the property. I don't know exactly how many acres there are, but this is the beautiful scenery that I get to look at. Wally is at the campground with Summer, and I've been here working for the weekend. It is the annual women's antelope hunt that they do every year. It's the 10th anniversary. They needed extra help because they have over 300 people here. I got here at 3:30 this morning, and who knows when they'll let me go. But it's gorgeous. And yes, I'm rocking it, and they want me to come back and work for them next summer. But we are way too far away from actual civilization. 10 miles outside of Claremont, that's only 116 people there. And 40 miles to Buffalo. And 35 miles to Sheridan. And so with an 8-year-old, you just can't have that kind of remoteness. If it was just Wally and I, it wouldn't be a problem probably, if I wanted to work for the Blairs again anyway, which I don't. However, the staff here is totally awesome, and I'm having a blast. More pics to come. Another gorgeous view of the surrounding mountains and hillsides. I'm standing in the event staff parking lot. And this is the view all the way 360 around it. Well, not quite 360. You don't need to see the porta potties. Cisco truck holding all the food. Oh, porta potties. Off we go. Dining room area that I've been helping clean and prep for each meal. Guest quarters. Swimming pool behind that fence. This is the section where they've been teaching some bow and arrow practicing. They're on a break right now. More guest quarters. Another view of the parking lot for the staff events people. And as I turn around, you're going to see some people over here at the table who are learning how to dress the meat that they just got this weekend. Kind of gross and bloody if you don't like that kind of thing, but very interesting as well.